Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel folder, and today I will show you how you can enter Fastboot mode on this device. So, to get started, we're gonna turn off our device, so swipe down twice, and then select the power button right over here, and choose power off. Give it a second to actually turn off. There we go. Now once the device is off, you want to hold your power button and volume down at the same time. And this will boot us into Fastboot mode. Now it's also labeled as bootloader, and if you were to select restart bootloader, it will bring us back here, even though it's labeled as Fastboot mode. And just to prove this, I'm gonna confirm it. We're back here. Now, as you've probably seen, you'll navigate through the options that we have access to in here using our volume buttons, either up or down, and each one of the options will be visible one by one right here. So quickly going into them, we have Start, which takes us back to Android, Restart Bootloader, which does basically nothing because it brings us back here, Recovery Mode, which takes us to Recovery Mode, Rescue Mode, then we have Barcode, Power Off, and back to Start. So there we go. So I'm gonna stick with the first one, Start, confirm it, and like I mentioned before, this just brings me back to Android. And there we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.